Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am here to show you guys during these winter months, you know how our skin get to looking very ashy. So we have to find something to moisturize our skin. But sometimes when you moisturize your skin, it doesn't last long. Whatever moisturizer you're using, it doesn't last long. But for me, I have really dry skin during the winter time. I've used castor oil, olive oil, I've used lotions, even cocoa butter, and sometimes some moisturizers that I have made. It just doesn't work. So I found this remedy on Facebook. She said her mom make this remedy for dry winter skin. So I'm going to call mine, I'm going to make it like she did, but I'm going to call it moisturizing lotion for dry ashy winter skin. Okay, because my skin, it is usually ashy. So I'm going to show you guys what she used and what I went out and bought tonight. Okay, she used this. Now I went to Walmart. I found these items at Walmart. So I picked up two came together for the price of one, which was $3 and some change. So I got some Fruit of the Earth Vitamin E Skin Care Cream. It moisturizes, soothes, and protects for softer, young looking skin. Okay, I got two of these. You're gonna need to use two. That's what she did. Then I found Johnson's baby lotion, and it nourished baby skin for 24 hours. And you can use the regular petroleum jelly, or you can use Vaseline, which she did use Vaseline, but it wasn't this brand. So I picked up this brand for rich conditioning. Okay, and the other one only had like 100% petroleum. So I decided to go with the Vaseline, and it has cocoa butter. So this has a little cocoa butter in the Vaseline. But hers was different. Hers was blue top. So I got mine in a brown top. So shouldn't make a difference. It will still end up the same. All right. So I'm going to take all these ingredients and I'm going to mix them all together in my mixer. Vitamin E cream. I'm going to mix it in here. Please do not throw away your containers, because you may want to add some back in, you know, after you finish making your mixture. You may want to put some in to keep on you in your purse, bag, or what have you. Then I'm going to use the whole jar of Vaseline. And you may want to keep this as well. Keep the container as well. So you do not want to liquefy it. Do not liquefy it. Okay, next I'm going to pour the whole bottle of baby lotion into the bowl. Baby lotion smells so good. And next I am going to mix it all together. So I'm going to put it on high speed. I am going to leave this mixing for about, I don't know, maybe about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. And I'll be right back with you guys. On high speed, and I have a few more minutes left. Okay, everybody, it's been 15 minutes. Getting ready to shut it off. It's been 15 minutes now. Okay. Feels good too, you guys. Goes on very smooth and creamy. And what I don't want it to do is to be very shiny and oily. It just moisturizes your skin, and you can feel the moisture. Oh yes. Oh yes, you can feel the moisture, you guys. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I didn't want it to be shiny. Just give it that matte look. All right, not that glossy look, but that matte look. Okay. Now what I am going to do, move this over a little bit. I'm going to place some in this candle jar, that I have been saving. Okay. And I will scoop some and put it in these containers like I told you I was going to do. Okay. Now let me get this out the way. So here we go. I'm just going to spoon some in. And I will put the remaining on my skin tonight. Yes, I am going to scrape that bowl. This is it. Turn it around so my dry skin, my dry ashy skin winter moisturizers. Yes, my moisturizers. And this is what it looks like. My moisturizer. So you guys go ahead and make you some. Like I said, I gotten this off of Facebook. But the only thing different that I used was the petroleum jelly, the Vaseline. She only used the blue top, and I'm using the brown top because it has cocoa butter in it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please stay tuned for another video. See, it's that matte look, not the glossy look. This is what I wanted. Okay, and it does hold moisture. All right, you guys, stay tuned and be blessed. Bye-bye. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my videos, but if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much, and be blessed. Bye-bye.